Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to update TurboTax on your Mac. Most of the time, your TurboTax software will update itself automatically when you are connected to the internet. This usually happens when you first open the application. Just make sure your Mac has a strong and stable internet connection to allow these seamless updates to occur without any interruptions. If you prefer to manually check for updates, it is quite simple. First, open your TurboTax application. Then, look for the TurboTax menu located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. The program will then guide you through any necessary downloads and installations. Another reliable method is to download updates directly from the official Intuit website. Head over to their support page and find the Downloads section for your particular TurboTax product. Once you have downloaded the latest update file to your Mac, simply double-click it to start the installation. This ensures you get the most current version. Before you install any updates, always remember to back up your tax file. This is a crucial step. It is also a good idea to close all other applications running on your Mac before starting the update installer. After a significant update, restart your Mac to ensure all changes are fully applied. Finally, confirm the update was successful by checking the program's version number.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.